go Dutch going down. Oh my. Hope he gets a mouthful of water and dies.
Has it got a snorkel?
Yeah, it's called its intake. No, it doesn't have a snorkel. Please get a mouthful of water and die. Nope, it's still alive. God damn it. Oh, it was lifting me.
Why did that look like it went across there better than some of the other trucks?
Shut up, Alex.
Right, yes, I probably should, shouldn't I?
Just a faggot. Oh, and there goes the ABC news. That went across there better than that
Most of the things that have already gone across.
yeah.
Now for the crazy guys in the safari.
Okay, that safari is quite nice. Short wheelbase safari, like. Oh, we found a rock.
And a puddle.
TD42 like.
That sounds nice.
That's tough. What are they, 35 Bahas? We've got steering stabilizers.
Steering stabilizer.
Yeah,
Oh, look at the other safari guys on the roof.
he's got the tough dog.
Yeah.
And there goes your Prado, Alex.
No. My Prado is up there somewhere. That's not a Prado, that's a Land Cruiser.
Ow! Where's he going?
I can't find him.
Over there.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Under the hood scoop. Oh, there he goes.
Hashtag get moist.
The surf will get through easy, Alex.
Yeah.
The surf will be
Hopefully.
monstrous.
There's too many safaris here. There's just too many.
Oh, my bay's going. Oh,
Yeah, that surf sounds so good. Oh, uh-oh. Look at the actual.
He was close, man. Oh, there goes the FJ. Oh, my surf's way more important.
That sounds
I
good.
must admit, that does sound good.
It does sound real good.
Hashtag 2LTE like. That's gotta be my
That's,
favourite. There's
yeah.
a whole lot of plane tracks here, but that's gotta be my favourite.
That's my favourite.
Highlights.
See, it's got Mickey's.
SWB,
Hey, Joshua.
Safari. They're all short wheelbase.
Look, that one's almost scraping its ass on the ground.
There's one long wheelbase Safari.
Which one's that? Is that Paul's truck?
No, I think it actually is so.
Paul's going. Oh no, Paul's just been for us one. Paul's got the Mickey's. Yeah.
That was originally my favourite Saf. I want to see this highlights and I want to see how this. Oh!
Whoopsies.
So far that surf's probably been the best one that's gone through it. Like it's coped the best.
It's sound.
Oh!
He's not ficking around, is he?
That's why new trucks are stupid.
He wasn't messing around.
There's Trev. Oh, there goes the.
Look at the FJ.
Is that gonna make a lot of noise? It shows the shoes. Fuck, that highlights though. Holy shit.
Boom, boom.
Oh, I like that thing. That thing's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's a TX Prado, eh? There goes Trev. Look at Trev.
Look at the flex. What did he hit on?
A fucking tree. What do you think?
The water.
A rock, you knob. Oh, see, there's a Prado. That's your Prado, eh?
No, that's not my Prado.
It is, that's your favourite.
No, it's not my favourite one. It's way over there, the red one. Red and silver one.
That would be
Look at Trevor. He's almost stuck. He's a blonde.
no way, Jose. Oh, there goes the Safari.
How has that has not scraped yet, has it?
Oh.
How?
Straight.
They're Hilux, not Trevor's Hilux, the other Hilux.
Prado's nice. That's my favourite though. So that's so switching the red surf. That thing was a piece of shit when we got the outside tires spinning. God!
Why